Triz is another liberating structure which I find very useful to use in a team or an organizational retrospective. How does Triz work? So first off, think of that long-term objective, the half year, a 3-month, 12-month objective that you are trying to achieve. The next thing, make a list and work in small teams first. Remember the 1-2-4, look it up. It's a previous video I recorded. The 1-2-4 liberating structure approach. And make a list of everything you can do to get the worst result to achieve that objective. So in small teams, create this long list. The next step is be brutally honest and ask yourselves, what are the things that we're doing presently that are counterproductive and are actually getting us to that worst result? So be brutally honest and be candid in that next step, again, working in small teams. The third step is start asking yourself, what are the top 3 things that we're doing right now that would lead us to that that are counterproductive, lead us to that worst result, and not enabling getting to that objective? What are the 3 things you can do now? What do we need to do differently that will get us to a better result, moving away from the things you've just captured? So 3-step liberating structure. This is called Triz. It's an awesome retrospective tool. I use it quite often. Use it, see how it works for you, tweak it as you need it. More links down below. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you next time.